Hi guys, welcome to Content Friday. My name is Claudia and I'm the girl behind Where Winds Take Me. In this series I'm going to focus on content creation and I'm going to share with you all the things that I've learned so that you can create better content for social media. So in this video I'm going to create a new Lightroom preset for my Instagram because currently my feed has a lot of blue and I want to change it to a warmer tone for the new season, and the plan is to create a peachy pink soft autumn look. And I'm going to share my screen and show you everything that I'm doing. So we are in Lightroom Classic now and I already selected the photos that I want to edit. The first thing that I'm going to do is to choose the photo that I want to work on. Let's say this one, the first one. And on the left side you can see my existing presets. The first preset that you see is a.claudia, which is the preset that I use for the majority of my blog posts. So it's at the top of the list because I basically use it on all the photos that I post on my blog. And now you see how these presets work on this photo. It's important that you know that presets don't look good on every single photo. If you have a preset that dramatically changes an image, that preset will probably not work on all your photos. Okay, so now we are on the Develop tab and this is where you will find all the settings that you need. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to think about how I want the results to look like, and I know that I want a subtle peachy edit. So the first thing that I'm doing is increasing the exposure just a bit, and then I'm going to bring the highlights down to 100% because I want to bring back certain details that are in the whites of the photo. And this is why I also go to the white slider and bring it to minus 50%. And then when it comes to the shadows and the blacks, I only make slight adjustments. Now, because I feel that the photo is a bit faded, I'm going to increase the clarity. Moving on to vibrance versus saturation, they basically do the same thing, but the difference is that the vibrance only changes the color in the midtones of the picture, so we want that for this look. So I'm only going to touch up on a vibrance a bit. We are not going to the curve adjustments because we want to keep it simple and to create this preset as fast as possible. But what we are going to do is modify each color so that we can achieve a warmer look. Also, if you want to have the same look on your photos, don't forget to check the description down below because I'm going to add a blog post with all the settings that I used to create this specific preset. So I'm going to make some changes now on the calibration panel. Let's say that you shoot an image with two different cameras that have the same settings. Let me tell you, you won't have two identical images because each camera is going to interpret the color in a different way. So this panel is used to correct different colors that your camera picked up. And you're supposed to make the changes here at the beginning of your edit, but I do it at the end because I feel that I have more control after I already edited the colors first. And now I'm just scrolling up to the settings to make the last changes. And I'm going to change the temperature a bit because, as I told you, I want some warmer tones for the autumn, and we are going to increase the temperature a bit. And if you want to see it both before and after, just press the Y key on your keyboard. Now I want to apply this preset to other photos as well. So I'm going to the developer tab and select new preset, and then give it a new name, and I can save it to the user presets or to other groups as well.